Hi love bunnies, I hope you guys are all doing so well. Welcome back to the beauty house. Now, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be going over a unboxing from my favorite movie franchise, Saw, because they partnered up with GLAMLITE. And if you like to see this collection and do this unboxing with me, be sure to continue to keep on watching. So as I said in my intro, today we are going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm so excited because fun fact about me, I absolutely love horror movies, gory movies, all that jazz. And my favorite one, if you guys know me, I love Saw. I saw every movie. I own every movie. I actually met the actor Tobin Bell that plays Jigsaw. And I also FaceTimed Kostas. So I am so excited. This happened to pop up my feed. I was like, oh, I need in my life. So I'm so happy to unbox this with you guys. And literally, it came in the mail and I did not open it. All I did was just open up the box, but everything is still in its packaging. Didn't open up anything because I wanted to share with you guys. So let's open this up. I'm gonna do swatches for you guys and all that jazz. Now, the first thing, do I want to open this up first? Okay, I might. So this is the Lip Plumper Duo, and this is inspired from their Needle Pit movie. I think that was 3, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna take out the box. This is the packaging on it. Oh my gosh. This is comes with a lip pencil and a lip plumper. Now, when I was looking online, this is a shade of red. Now, that's not really my vibe when it comes to lip choices. That's not the first I would gravitate towards, but I am going to be nice and do a makeup look for you guys utilizing this because the palette, oh my gosh, is actually wearable colors and I love that. So I'm going to do a look for you guys in another video. So I'm going to see what look I could come up with to utilize this red. But I'm not opposed. You know, you got to try things. So this is what it looks like a little needle. Got it. Okay, that was a little crazy. This is what it looks like. I'm not really a shimmer kind of girl, but we're gonna try it out anyways, right? Okay, well, that's that. Now this is the lip liner. I hear their lip liners are really good. Oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous lip shade. I don't think I have one like that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And it feels so soft. If this is a gorgeous color on me and I use it all the time, I'm gonna kind of be sad because one, this is such cute packaging, but two, this lip color is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Gotta see if they got this on its own. So that's that. Next, we have, of all the packaging, I'm not gonna lie, I think this was their best packaging of everything thus far. And from what I have seen, I do like this packaging a lot. This is a blush duo. Okay, so this little story time. Oh, I should have read it for you guys on the lips and the needle pit. Let me go back and read it. You can't escape the pain, but your lips will look killer. The Needle Pit Lip Plumper Duo is inspired by one of Jigsaw's most infamous traps, featuring a razor-precise lip liner and a syringe-shaped lip plumper. This deadly combo brings intense volume with a prick of danger. Okay, or have a little story time. Like a good story time. Now, this is their Live or Die Blush Duo, and it says, she wore the mask, now you wear the color. Inspired by Amanda and the infamous pig mask, this blush duo delivers highly pigmented shades to bring your complexion to life. From soft blush to full impact, these silky powders channel the chaos, control, and cost of survival. Come on now. Now let's open this one up. Always gotta have a tool because these boxes are like childproof. ridiculous. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Look at the details. Can you see? It's kind of like 3D. So excited. And then we open it up. Look at that. Wait, hold up now. Oh, look at these colors. Can you see it? So this is it has some sparkle in it. This would mostly be like a topper, and this is a regular blush. Let's swatch it. Let's see. Oh, these are gorgeous. These shades of pink are actually really, really pretty. And I don't think I own a pink like any of these. It comes up actually nicer on camera. I don't own any pinks like these. So I'm actually excited to put pink on. I know. I really can't wait to wear this. This is really nice. And honestly speaking, when it comes to makeup, you can do whatever you want to. So if I really wanted to use one of these pinks all over my lid, I'm going to do that. Because who's going to tell me anything? Nobody. Exactly. Nobody gonna tell me nothing. But no, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to put it on my lid. I ain't gonna lie to you, honey. But these are really, really pretty. So now I'm gonna play a game. This is the 15 color palette for body and face. Oh my gosh. This palette better be even more beautiful than I saw online, because these colors looked amazing. And what I do like colors look as though it's versatile, that you can utilize it for everyday look, smoky look, grunge, whatever you in the mood for, honey. And I do like the color story, because most times when brands do collabs, there's always some colors that nobody's gonna ever use. There always are some color stories that makes sense for the movie or the show, but doesn't make sense when it comes to a palette and it's not wearable. And I hate that. But this sold me. So this is their palette. This packaging is kind of decent, not too shabby. This has a nice material on it. Would this be like a book? Possibly. Look at that little. Okay, let's see. Look at that, guys. Look at how we open it. Can this come apart? No, it's just thick. Okay. Every puzzle has its piece. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. The palette. You see the details on it? 3D, shimmer, all that jazz. Okay, it says, want to play a game, 15 color palette for body and face. GLAMLITE has joined Jigsaw game to bring you the most twisted creation yet, and I want to play a game, 15 color palette inspired by Traps Tools Terror of the Saw franchise. This limited edition colored palette is packed with deadly mattes and iridescent shimmers. Whether you're a player or a survivor, it's time to blend or bleed. Okay, guys, it's the moment I've been waiting for. So the cool thing is this mirror is like a puzzle piece. Isn't that gorge? These colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look at these colors, guys. I don't think the camera is picking up. First off, this shade is absolutely gorgeous to me. This shade though is interesting, and it's gorgeous as well. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna swatch these for you guys, because why not? Hello. I'm gonna swatch this first row. Okay, you guys know when it comes to my swatches, they're terrible. Oh my gosh. This color, is so much prettier than I expected. This is like a deep, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but this is such a deep berry shade, and I do not have a shade like this. And this is also, I like this eyeshadow palette. I do not have any colors in any of my palettes that are like these. These are oh, that color is gorgeous, you guys. Now I gotta do a smoky eye with this one. Yes. Now we're gonna do the second row right beneath it. That color is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Is this not gorgeous? Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Guys, I think I like this row better. I think this gotta be my favorite row. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Is this first one and last one not breathtaking? And then now for the last row. Guys. Oh my gosh. First off, these three colors alone, would that not be such a gorgeous eyeshadow look? Come on. A green that pigmented. Oh my gosh. Honey child, I think I have a new favorite palette. Juvia's Place. I love their palettes, but this, you got me. Gosh, guys. Now, I don't know. I said the last row is my favorite. I don't know. No, these colors, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like I said, these first three colors together, how beautifully they would play together. This palette, they did their thing with this palette. They did their thing with this palette. I'm even more excited to do a makeup look for you guys, if my Jesus will allow my eyeballs to cooperate that day. Oh my gosh. I'm usually always very calm, mono emotions. But certain things I really do get so ecstatic about. One, especially when it comes to makeup. Anything makeup makes me excited. But a good palette with amazing, breathtaking, highly pigmented colors. Oh my gosh. Honey. That's that for the eyeshadow palette. This would probably be my second favorite item in this collection. The first one, I'm going to show you very soon. But no, these colors are absolutely gorgeous. And I don't even think my camera showcased how actually beautiful these colors are. Like, when I tell you I don't have any of these colors in any of my palettes at all. I don't have any. And so I'm extremely excited to play around with this palette. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna use this palette every day just because, until it hits pan, honey, okay? Wait, my eyeball. Hold up now. Now we have this little jasmine. What is that? Oh, this comes with a little tool and batteries. Hold up now. So these are 2 batteries and a little screwdriver. So I wonder what that's for. Now this is cute. If you guys know, I don't know the age range, but if you guys are of a particular age, you know that this is supposed to be a VHS tape. Okay? Now, this is a Blood Bath 5-piece brush set. Cherish your life with our Blood Bath brush set, a 5-piece collection designed to bring precise and danger to every look. Blood flows through every brush handle in homage to Jigsaw's game. First off, can we take a pause for my reading skills? Come on. If you want to test somebody for real, tell them to read out loud. If you want to test somebody, tell them to read out loud. Look at this. Oh, yes, there will be blood. So this is their 5-piece brush set. How cute is this? Now, looking at it, these are definitely synthetic brushes. I can tell. But we're really going to see how they work once I actually do my makeup. So now it's supposed to be blood in the handles. That's a cute detail. They should have made it a little bit darker because blood is not this light. But that's a cool little detail. So this most likely is a small shader brush. And then we have this little brush, a little fluffy brush, like a tapered brush. And we have our crease brush. a little face brush. A little face brush and I would consider this a blush brush, but you could do it for whatever you want. So like, you could do what you want. Brushes, you could do what you want. Okay, you could do whatever you want. But I would say this is more so like a blush brush. So this is their little brush set, their 5-piece brush set. And then the little fake blood. How cute is that? Now, when I do recreate, when I do a look for you guys, I am gonna incorporate these brushes just to see how they work. But even if I don't use it, it's just cute to have, honestly speaking, because my brushes really aren't too much synthetic, and the synthetic ones that I do have are better than these. I'm just saying. Oh, I think this lights up, guys. I didn't even realize that. Can you guys see that? You can't even see it, but this lights up when you open it. Oh, that is so cool. This side lights up white and this side lights up red. You can't even see that detail. I might have to like zoom out and show you that, then show you guys that differently. That is so cool. Wow. Okay, and last but not least, and this is my favorite. It's my favorite. And you guys are gonna see it in every video moving forward. The Billy mirror. If you guys didn't know, this little toy clown, his name is Billy. The Billy Blade mirror. He wants to play a game. Face the terror with the saw blade mirror. This limited edition custom saw blade shaped mirror makes perfecting your glam dangerously easy. This is my #1 favorite item in this collection. Hands down. Guys, look at this. You guys are probably gonna get sick of me, and it's okay though. It's their mirror. Isn't this so cute? You guys are gonna get sick of me. It's not gonna be no more of the Milani palette, honey. It's gonna be this. You're gonna get tired of me and you're gonna say, who is that? This is Billy from my favorite movie Saw. Oh yeah, and it's big enough to get what I need. Oh yeah, and it can be a weapon. You never know, okay? This life is crazy. You never know. You know what's so funny? I watch other YouTube videos all the time, of course, and I watch makeup videos, and sometimes the makeup artist has like such cool mirrors. Some is bedazzled, some is like specially made, you could tell. This now I'm a part of the Cool Kids Club, come on now. But that is everything, you guys, from this collection. This is from the brand GLAMLITE. I've heard about them before, but I never really purchased anything from them. I never really did any research too much on their products, but like I said, I saw this pop up on my feed and I'm like, I love Saw and I love makeup. I have to have it. So I was blessed enough to get it. I am gonna look more into the brand GLAMLITE, because when I did go on their website, they do so many collabs, and mainly horror collabs that they do, and it's so cool to me. I'm highly upset because they had one for Ghostface and that sold out, and I think they're not gonna bring it back again. And there was a few items that I did want when I did see them, but let's see if they bring it back. But thank you guys for taking a part of your day and choosing to share it with me. I greatly appreciate it. I thank you guys for allowing me to share something with you guys, my love of horror and my love of the franchise Saw. As I always say, the true foundation of beauty starts from within. Makeup is just the cherry on top. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, and turn on your post notifications so you will be in the know when I post my videos. And I am going to do a video later on this week, most likely on Friday, so be on the lookout for it. And I'm going to do a full impromptu makeup look with these pieces. So make sure you set your notifications to see when that drops. Thank you guys so much, and I love you until next time. Mwah.